at Joe Brown Park for the STEM Fest Health Fair, sponsored by Johnson & Johnson and Ochsner. We have students able to look at lungs, real life lungs. They're able to touch and feel an actual lung and feel it expand with a foot pump. We have a heart dissection where kids are able to watch a sheep's heart being opened in the different parts of the chambers of the heart.
Which is where all the blood comes out of your heart and goes all over your body.
Students here able to run drones through an obstacle course. It's teaching them how to manipulate things, fine motor skills also. We have students able to do chemistry experiments. For instance, we have slime over on the table. We have pop rockets that use vinegar and baking soda. We also have those classic volcanoes that use vinegar and baking soda. So we have students able to ride a hovercraft. We also have 3D printers over there able to print a variety of things. We have students working with VR over on one side. That's awesome. We have something that's called a gummy bear fireball, where we're mixing gummy bears with certain chemical compounds and making an explosion. A very safe explosion, but an explosion nonetheless. We also have the Johnson & Johnson sponsored health fair in there, where adults can get their blood pressure and cholesterol checked free of charge.
So Johnson & Johnson, this is a perfect event for us to participate in, because through our STEM 2D program, we really seek to inspire kids to pursue education and a career in what we call STEM 2D, which is science, technology, engineering, math, manufacturing, and design. So the thought of doing a combined STEM event for kids and the health fair for parents was a perfect event for us to participate in. On the health fair side of the things, on the health fair side, My Health Can't Wait is a program within J&J where we look to support communities and provide education and resources around prioritizing your health. Our support continues online at myhealthcan'twait.com. And all of that is under Johnson & Johnson's commitment to health equity.
Pick out the crust? Yeah, look at you. You can try breaking the cookie. It's okay to, oh, yeah, it's good for over there. He's the mayor. Now the mayor of the community is in hot water because he told the people, buy your property, waterfront property. Go out and fish.
Well, I look at the STEM events and the STEM program and our health promotion and preventive activities. I really look at them as two sides of the same coin. Because number one, STEM is really the pathway, from my perspective, to a better future. It's a pathway to better health, it's a pathway to better communities, and it's a pathway to healthier individuals.
When you breathe in, they get big, like your stomach, and when you breathe out, they shrink back up.
So the reason that I talk to kids about STEM education and pursuing careers in science is that when I was a kid, I didn't have someone like that. I didn't get that until I went off to college, like in my 20s, and so I think from a young age it's really important to show kids that they can be scientists and they can do anything they set their minds to.